Good morning, all of you. You are most welcome in body session. In last period, what you have seen about the hypothalamus and pituitary gland. I have been told you about the hypothalamus is a part of brain. It secretes neurohormone like ADH and oxytocin, as well as releasing factors that control the activity of pituitary gland. You have seen in detail. You have also seen about the pituitary gland. What is pituitary gland? It is one of the endocrine gland. It is the smallest gland. It is located below the hypothalamus. It is attached to the hypothalamus by a stalk that is called as the infundibulum stalk. I have been told you it is smallest gland. It is located in the socket of sphenoid bone of cranium. That socket it is called as a sella turcica or hypophyseal fossa. It mainly consists of two parts, anterior part and posterior part. It is also called anterior lobe and posterior lobe. Adenohypophysis, neurohypophysis. It is a dual origin. What is meaning of dual origin? Some portion originate from buccal cavity and some portion from hypothalamus. Means adenohypophysis, it is outgrowth of buccal cavity, while neurohypophysis, it is the extension of hypothalamus of the brain. Hence, it is called as a dual origin. This adenohypophysis consists of three parts. मैंने बताया था आपको, एक है pars distalis, pars tuberalis and pars intermedia separated from adenohypophysis by a notch called as a plate. It is endocrine in function. This part secretes a number of hormones like a growth hormone, ACTH, TSH, prolactin, gonadotropin, FSH and LH. What about the neurohypophysis? It consists of three parts, pars nervosa, some portion of hypothalamus of the brain and infundibulum. It does not secrete a hormone, it only store and release the hormone secreted by neurosecretory cells of hypothalamus of the brain. This is regarding the last period. What you have to see today regarding the hormones of adenohypophysis of pituitary gland. बोर्ड एग्जाम मध्ये याला प्रश्न विचारला जातो. राइट नोट ऑन हार्मोन्स ऑफ एडिनोहाइपोफाइसिस ऑफ पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. So which are the hormones? You see, first of all, growth hormone. Growth hormone, it is called as the somatotropic hormone. It is called as the STH. It is called as the GH, growth hormone. Now this hormone of pituitary gland, their secretion under stimulation of somatotropin releasing hormone secreted by hypothalamus of the brain. Remember please, this somatotropin releasing hormone released by hypothalamus act on pituitary gland, then secretion of growth hormone. Growth hormone related to growth of the body, growth of the cell, growth of the tissue, growth of bone. It controls the cell division. It controls the cell division as well as protein synthesis, carbohydrate metabolism, fat metabolism, protein metabolism under control of growth hormone. It related to growth of the body, that you have to remember. Up to puberty there more secretion. Then later their secretion become low, not low but in a moderate amount, that you have to remember. This growth hormone related to growth of the body, growth of cell, growth of tissue and growth of the bone. Now see here, what is the main function? What I say, growth of the body, growth of the cell, growth of tissue. It controls the carbohydrate metabolism, fat metabolism and protein metabolism, that you have to remember. If there is a low secretion, causes the serious effect on the body. If there is a high secretion, causes a serious consequence to the body. Now see here, childhood, if there is a hyposecretion in childhood, यदि बचपन में ग्रोथ हार्मोन का सिक्रेशन कम होता है, दैट इज हाइपोसिक्रेशन causes the pituitary dwarfism, stunted the growth not more than 3 to 4 feet tall, shortest these limb bones not more than 3 to 4 feet tall. So this is very important for the growth of the body. So what is the disorder in childhood? Due to the low secretion, pituitary dwarfism. Then if suppose there is a hypersecretion of growth hormone in childhood, causes the overgrowth of the body. This disorder called as a gigantism, means more lengthening of forelimbs and hind limb, short neck, small head, that you may call as a disproportionate body. That condition called as the gigantism. ये बचपन में यदि हाइपर सिक्रेशन हो जाता है, हाइपर सिक्रेशन होता है, ज़्यादा सिक्रेशन होता है, तो हमारे बच्चे की बॉडी की ग्रोथ कैसी एबनॉर्मल ग्रोथ होती है. देयर इज अ लेंथनिंग ऑफ फोर लिम्स एंड हाइंड लिम्स, शॉर्ट नेक, स्मॉल हेड, शॉर्ट एब्डोमेन, डिसप्रोपोर्शनेट बॉडी. दैट कंडीशन कॉल्ड एज अ गिगैंटिज्म. व्हाट इज द इफ इन अडल्ट इफ देयर इज अ हाइपर सिक्रेशन, ज़्यादा सिक्रेशन होता है, तो what is the disorder? There may be acromegaly. There may be acromegaly, means their spine become curved, heavy lower jaws, heavy forelimbs and hind limbs, the appearance like a gorilla. That condition called as a acromegaly. That condition ला काय म्हणतात? Acromegaly. If there is a hypersecretion of growth hormone in adult, that condition called as the acromegaly. That you have to remember. What my point? What I say? This is a very important hormone, growth hormone. This growth hormone causes the growth of the body. What I say? It accelerates the protein synthesis and cell division. Remember please, मैंने आपको बताया था. It also controls the carbohydrate metabolism, fat metabolism, protein metabolism, means direct relation to production of energy. एनर्जी किसके लिए होना है आपको? ग्रोथ ऑफ द बॉडी. रिमेंबर प्लीज. सो डिसऑर्डर यू रिमेंबर प्लीज. तुम्हाला डिसऑर्डर लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. एक पिट्यूटरी डॉर्फिझम, दुसरा आहे गिगॅंटिझम, तिसरा आहे ॲक्रोमेगली इन अडल्ट. ॲक्रोमेगली इन अडल्ट. नाउ नेक्स्ट हार्मोन थायरोट्रोपिन or thyroid stimulating hormone. This is also one of the important hormone. This will be released by pituitary gland under stimulation of thyrotropin releasing hormone. Now, what is the name? TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Because of it stimulates the growth of thyroid gland. It controls the secretion of thyroid gland. Hence, is nominated as a TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. याच्या नावामध्ये याचं फंक्शन आहे. काय फंक्शन आहे? इट कंट्रोल द ग्रोथ ऑफ थायरॉइड ग्लँड, इट कंट्रोल द सिक्रेशन ऑफ थायरॉइड ग्लँड, मीन्स थायरॉक्सिन अंडर कंट्रोल ऑफ थायरॉइड स्टिम्युलेटिंग हार्मोन. तुम्हाला नुसतं नाव जरी आठवलं तरी त्याचं फंक्शन तुम्हाला लिहिता येईल. वेरी इजी. ना उसके हार्मोन के नाम को आधा मार्क होता है, हाफ मार्क गिवन देयर इज वन फंक्शन. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट हियर? Thyrotropin, thyroid stimulating hormone, or TSH, under influence of which releasing factor? Thyrotropin releasing factor. It is secreted by hypothalamus. It controls the growth of thyroid gland, secretion of thyroid gland. That you have to remember. So this thyroid gland, it is very important gland. You know the location of thyroid gland? It located in the neck region, either side of trachea, just below the larynx. Thyroid gland secrete thyroxine. Thyroid gland secrete thyrocalcitonin. यदि थायरॉक्सिन का प्रमाण हमारी बॉडी में कम ज़्यादा होता है, that if hypersecretion called as hyperthyroidism, it is called as exothalamic goiter. Low secretion, hypothyroidism. That also causes the disorder in the body. That is totally depend on thyroid stimulating hormone. Very important hormone. Why? Because it controls the growth of thyroid gland, secretion of thyroid gland, that thyroxine regulate the metabolic activity of the body, that control the BMR, basal metabolic rate, that control the development of secondary character, development of axillary hairs related to secondary character. It control the protein metabolism, fat metabolism, carbohydrate metabolism under influence of thyroxine. But इसका सिक्रीशन किस पे डिपेंड है? थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन. हा कोणाचा हार्मोन है? एड्रिनो हाइपोफाइसिस ऑफ पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. सो मैंने बताया था पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड इट इज कॉल्ड एज द मास्टर ग्लैंड. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट कंट्रोल द एक्टिविटी ऑफ अदर ग्लैंड. नेक्स्ट हार्मोन प्रोलैक्टिन और लिटियोट्रॉपिक हार्मोन और मैमोट्रॉपिक हार्मोन. सॉरी, इसके पहले हम ये देखेंगे एड्रिनोकॉर्टिकोट्रॉपिक हार्मोन. It is also called adrenocorticopin or ACTH, adrenal cortex adrenocorticotropic hormone. Now see here, adrenocortico, it's a name of gland. Adreno is the name of gland. What's the name? Adrenal gland. This hormone stimulates the adrenal gland for its growth and for its secretion. Adrenal gland is also one of the most important gland because it secretes three kinds of hormones: mineralocorticoid, glucocorticoid, and sex corticoid hormone. Mineralocorticoid, like you may call as that control the minerals inside the body. Mineralocorticoid, glucocorticoid, and sex corticoid. Sex corticoid related to development of secondary sexual character under influence of ACTH. Remember please, what's the name? Adrenocorticotropic hormone. It controls the growth of adrenal gland and secretion of adrenal gland. यदि इसका प्रमाण ठीक है तो ग्रोथ होगी एड्रिनल ग्लैंड की और सिक्रीशन होगा एड्रिनल ग्लैंड का. दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. एड्रिनोकॉर्टिकोट्रॉपिक हार्मोन that secreted by pituitary gland but act on adrenal gland for secretion. Mineralocorticoid, glucocorticoid, and sex corticoid hormone. That you have to remember. Now another hormone, prolactin, luteotropic hormone, or mammotropin, or lactogenic hormone. What is meaning of lacto? Lacto means milk. Milk produce. Genic means produce. Milk produce hormone. In short, in simple, milk producing hormone. It is also called as a milk producing hormone, or it is called as a mammotropin. Mammo means mammary gland. You know very well, in female the mammary glands are active. They are undergoes the development during the puberty, as well as they also develop during the pregnancy. Whenever female become pregnant, fusion of male and female gamete takes place, fertilization occurs. During that period, there is a development of mammary gland which takes place under the influence of which hormone? Luteotropin hormones. Which hormone? Prolactin hormone. Which hormone? Lactogenic hormone. Lactogen means milk. Lacto means milk. Hence, it is necessary for the production of milk from the mammary gland. It is secreted by pituitary gland, anterior pituitary gland, and act on mammary gland for what? Its a development. For what? Its a secretion. Yadi during the pregnancy there is a lack of prolactin, no development of mammary gland. If after the birth of baby, after the parturition of baby, there is a low secretion of prolactin, means there is no secretion of milk from mammary gland of mother. Yes, at that time that baby given the supplementary food. So which supplementary food? Milk of cow and buffaloes. जर प्रेग्नन्सी मध्ये याचं प्रमाण कमी असेल तर मॅमरी ग्लँड प्रॉपर डेव्हलप होणार नाही. आफ्टर प्रेग्नन्सी, ड्युरिंग द डिलिव्हरी, if there is no lactogenic hormone, no secretion of milk. You remember please. म्हणजे याच्या नावामध्ये याचं फंक्शन आहे prolactin or luteotropic hormone, or it is called as the lactogenic hormone. Lactogenic hormone. That you have, what you have seen today, growth hormone, somatotropic hormone, or STH or GH. Second, thyrotropin, thyroid stimulating hormone. Fourth, adrenocorticotropic hormone. Fourth, prolactin, luteotropic hormone, mammotropic or lactogenic hormone. That's all. Remaining parts in next time.